Hello, Waterford community. I wanted to take a moment to address some of the questions our students, staff, and parents have asked over the past couple of weeks regarding COVID-19 and the district's response. Specifically, our decision to pause in-person instruction at several of our buildings. As you know, there have been constant changes with this pandemic. The number of cases in our buildings continues to reflect those in the community, rising and falling with the county and the state numbers. Right now, our data reflects the significant increase overall in Michigan. Every day and around the clock, our COVID-19 response team works with building administration and the Oakland County Health Division to respond to new cases. They are contact tracing and notifying families and staff that need to quarantine due to close contact. I have been watching these numbers very closely. We are keeping our families informed through building letters and our COVID-19 dashboard. However, there is more behind those numbers. You can see how many positive school-related cases are in the building, but it is difficult to report all of those absent due to quarantine in a concise manner. Each case is very different. Some have no close contacts, while others can have more than 50. Certainly, we know how many are quarantined due to each positive school-related case, but at times there is overlap and we don't want to count one student twice. In addition to those in quarantine due to school-related cases, we are watching other numbers. Throughout the district, there are numerous individuals in quarantine because they tested positive outside of the 48-hour school-related window or were exposed to an outside case. So with that in mind, when deciding whether or not to pause in-person instruction, we look at the overall attendance numbers. Our two top priorities in Waterford are student and staff health and the equity in education. When our percentages get too high, there are concerns about all students receiving the same educational opportunities, so we need to adjust accordingly. As of yesterday, our reports reflect just over 1,000 students and staff out due to COVID-19 district-wide. The majority of those individuals are from schools back in remote learning. The rate of student absences at these schools due to COVID-19 is at or above 20%. I believe that the best place for our students to learn is in our classrooms, and that is why I have not decided to put the entire district back to remote learning. Some of our buildings have low manageable numbers, and for those buildings, it is safe at this time for them to be in person, and I would like to keep it that way. Here at Waterford, we will continue to do the work and follow all of the CDC state and county guidelines. We ask that you join us in doing the same by social distancing, properly wearing your mask, avoiding large gatherings, and staying home when you are sick. Additionally, if you are interested, we do have information about possible vaccine opportunities on our website. I know that we are all ready to close this chapter of our lives and move forward, and I am confident that we will get there together. Thank you for your understanding, and please stay safe and healthy.